Hello everyone, how to towards back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the app Cougar dating and hookup app. So here you can see the rating of the app 4.8 star out of 5. So when you get any app the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is really good. And 8k reviews, it means 8,000 people write something about this app. 30 megabyte, it's not too heavy, it's light app. You can use every devices, and here you can see 1 million plus people already downloaded this app. So we'll see some screenshot. Mature woman and charming man, uh, meet attractive people, moment record the real match. If you match, then you can start dating, chat online anytime and anywhere. So it's really amazing user interface, and we will see about this app. Mature hookup dating for local older women and adult singles seeking Cougar life. Please note, Cougar is not a hookup app for seeking sugar baby or sugar mama or sugar daddy relationship. We set the most rigorous manual and AI review mechanism. Once the sugar baby or sugar mama or sugar daddy relationship are discovered, the offending accounts will be deleted and banned. So here are some features you can read, and they brought a lot of good feature about you, for you, so you can use. The app is released 2020, it's 3 years ago, 2.5 years ago, and we'll see some reviews and ratings, what people actually thought about this app. Honestly, this online dating app is great for finding local hookup dating because it matches people nearby. However, the number of users may be different in each place. Sometimes you can hook up a lot of dating partners, but sometimes on one to date with you, it has something to be improved, of course. But overall, it's an excellent Tinder hookup dating app. So it's people share their opinion. It's really amazing. Not even author can't even make account some agreement buzz, and it doesn't even give you the option to accept said agreement. App it's trust garbage, trust don't download. So every app has some negative things, but if you want to use, then you can create an account and start using. It's really user friendly. If you face any problem, then let me know. I'll try to give you the solution video. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.